Maintaining a stable and reliable electrical power network while developing the grid and integrating renewables is an absolute priority for the German transmission system operator 50 Hertz and for all of Europe. International cooperation in the field of cross-border electric power transmission is growing, both in importance and intensity. Although Europe's grid operators maintain and develop their facilities responsibly, it's impossible to ensure that the entire grid will never face an outage. In order to be well prepared for potential crisis situations, 50 Hertz, in cooperation with its neighboring Czech transmission system operator CEPS, conducted the first international security exercise focusing on extra-high voltage lines crossing the German-Czech border in 2014.
Hlavním důvodem, proč jsme se rozhodli zorganizovat toto cvičení, bylo ověřit naše schopnosti společně se společností 50 Hertz Transmission, která je naším partnerem v takzvaně východních spolkových zemích.
The extreme exercise scenario simulated a powerful thunderstorm during a planned shutdown of several transmission lines that damaged the international connection line between the substations in Röhrsdorf and Radek u Kudany. The line was crucial for the reliable operations of the power transmission systems in both northwestern Bohemia and Saxony, as well as for international cooperation and electricity trading. Restoring this international connection was thus a strategic priority. An emergency transmission line had to be built. 50 Hertz dispatchers took all the available technical steps to secure the stability of the system. The emergency situation was addressed by 200 experts from 50 Hertz, CEPS and public authorities from Germany and the Czech Republic. 2 police and army helicopters helped extinguish an additional fire in the vicinity of the transmission line and transported parts of the new pylons to the construction site. LTB Leitungsbau handled construction of the emergency transmission line on the German side. GA Energo Technik was responsible on the Czech side. Numerous German and Czech emergency vehicles from both countries were involved. The combined forces were able to successfully overcome the power failure as well as other complications. Once the emergency transmission lines were put into operation, the critical situation on the cross-border transmission lines was resolved. Based on the updated information, crisis teams from 50 Hertz and CEPS were able to safely and effectively conclude all the emergency measures.
Wir sind sehr stolz und sehr froh, dass wir das gemeinsam mit CEPS hier dieses Notfallszenario meistern konnten und die erste Übung dieser Art in Europa jetzt erfolgreich abgeschlossen haben.
For safe power transmission in Europe.